Project manager is a job title found across numerous industries. They're the people with the high-level view, ensuring their team successfully crosses the finish line in day-to-day duties and large-scale initiatives. Project managers shoulder great responsibility, and their salaries reflect that. Cleared workers in management-level positions earn an average of $20,000 to $30,000 more annually. If leading a team of people in your chosen industry is a career goal, here are a few tips to help you get there. The veteran advantage. Regardless of when you served, if you're a veteran, chances are you're qualified to be a project manager. Skills learned in the service, leadership, accountability, adaptability, and planning all translate to the management track of NatSec's private and civilian sectors. Articulate your experience. The fields of engineering, tech, and finance are a few industries that rely heavily on project managers. With many moving parts, organizations need leaders who will pull all the pieces together. Odds are you've steadily built project management skills throughout your career. When applying to project or program manager positions, highlight your negotiating, budgeting, leadership, and organizational abilities. Obtain a certificate or advanced degree. While you don't need an advanced degree, getting certified and specialized training is a huge plus for project manager applicants. For cleared workers, the Project Management Professional Certificate is the gold standard. Stay up to date on industry trends. Keep up to date with project management software and tools like Asana, Trello, or Basecamp. Staying up to date with industry trends is also crucial, and adding project management professionals to your network helps. For the latest openings, visit clearancejobs.com.